Netflix spends $17 billion a year on content. You are not going to outspend Netflix. And that's exactly why you shouldn't try. You don't win in streaming by going bigger. You win by going more specific. The real growth is happening in vertical platforms, fitness streaming, faith-based content, regional sports, niche education, etc. And AI is what now makes it possible to launch one without a Netflix-sized budget. If you're a founder or entrepreneur thinking about building a streaming platform in 2026, this video is for you. We are not talking about building the next Netflix or Disney+. That era is over. We're talking about building the next Crunchyroll, the next Shudder, a niche platform that owns a specific audience and monetizes them better than any general platform ever could. The global video streaming market has already crossed $160 billion and continues to grow steadily each year. But the real story isn't the total market size, it's fragmentation. The average household now pays for multiple streaming subscriptions and churn is rising. Viewers are overwhelmed by general platforms trying to serve everyone. At the same time, niche streaming platforms focused on fitness, faith, anime, regional sports, education, or independent film are growing faster than broad entertainment services. The opportunity is not to compete with Netflix, it's to own a vertical they can't serve deeply. And AI is what makes that economically possible. There are 3 proven ways to build a profitable AI-powered streaming platform. Each fits a different business strategy. Model 1, SVOD, Subscription Video on Demand. This is the classic subscription model, but applied to a niche. You build a focused content library around one vertical. Users pay monthly for unlimited access. AI is what makes this work at a small scale. Recommendation engines personalize each user's homepage. AI auto-generates subtitles, metadata, and content tags. Content moderation and categorization become automated. You don't need thousands of titles. You need intelligent content delivery. Revenue is predictable and recurring. Model 2, AVOD, Ad-Supported Video on Demand. This model removes the subscription barrier. Users access content for free. Revenue comes from advertising. AI powers dynamic ad insertion, meaning different viewers see different ads based on behavior, location, and interest. This increases advertiser value and platform revenue. For verticals like regional sports, cooking, or local media, AVOD often scales faster because it lowers friction to entry. This model prioritizes reach over subscription revenue. Model 3, Creator and Live Streaming Platform. Instead of building your own content library, you build the infrastructure for creators, fitness instructors, coaches, sports commentators, educators, faith leaders. Revenue comes from subscriptions, tips, pay-per-view events, and sponsorships. AI handles real-time moderation, creator discovery recommendations, automated highlight generation, adaptive streaming quality. Now let's look at how an AI-powered streaming platform actually works. Let's begin with the AI-powered streaming app. As soon as the app opens, the user lands on the home screen, where content is intelligently organized using AI recommendations based on the viewer's profile and previous activity. At the top, users see top recommended content, which highlights movies or shows selected by the AI according to the user's viewing preferences. Just below that is the Continue Watching section. This allows users to quickly resume content they were previously watching without having to search for it again. Next, we have the Recommended for You segment. These are AI-curated suggestions, and each recommendation includes a matching percentage that indicates how closely the content aligns with the user's interests. Scrolling further, we reach the Trending Now section. This highlights popular content across the platform, including series, sports highlights, educational programs, and entertainment shows. Below that, users can explore live content. This section showcases live events currently streaming on the platform. It may include sports finals, live workshops, fitness sessions, cooking classes, and other real-time broadcasts. Continuing down the homepage, We also have a Creators Spotlight area where popular creators are featured. Users can explore their content, view their follower counts, and discover trending creators on the platform. Next comes the Discover section. The Discover page helps users find new content more easily. AI provides personalized suggestions based on viewing history and interests. Users can also browse content using hashtags, curated suggestions, and category-based discovery. Categories allow viewers to quickly jump into genres or themes they prefer, making it easier to explore new shows, creators, or live streams. Moving forward, we open the live streaming section. Here, users can view ongoing live streams as well as upcoming events. For example, there may be sports championships, cooking masterclasses, fitness sessions, or entertainment streams. Users can also set reminders for upcoming streams, so they receive notifications when the event goes live. Next, we move to the Downloads section. This area displays all the content the user has downloaded for offline viewing. The screen shows how many videos are downloaded along with the total storage space being used. Users can manage their downloads and remove content whenever needed. Finally, we arrive at the Profile section. Here, users can manage their account information and platform settings. The Profile page allows them to view subscription details, access viewing history, manage account preferences, and reach help and support if needed. Users can also update their settings or securely log out of the platform from this section. With that, we conclude the walkthrough of the AI-powered streaming app, a personalized entertainment platform designed to recommend content intelligently, support live streaming, and provide a seamless viewing experience across multiple types of media. Let's now move on to the admin dashboard of the AI-powered streaming platform. As soon as the administrator logs in, the dashboard provides a complete overview of the platform's performance. At the top, we can see key metrics such as total users, active users, total videos, total creators, currently running live streams, total revenue, watch time hours, and storage space utilization. Just below that, graphical insights display user growth trends, revenue performance, and watch time analytics. The dashboard also highlights top-performing creators, categories, and content. AI-generated insights provide additional intelligence about audience behavior, while moderation alerts and recent activity logs help administrators monitor everything happening across the platform in real time. Next, we move to content management. This section contains all the videos available on the platform. Administrators can upload new content directly from here and assign tags or categories to organize the content library. The system also shows performance indicators such as views and engagement metrics, helping administrators quickly evaluate how different pieces of content are performing. After that, we move to creator management. Here, administrators can view the complete list of creators registered on the platform. Each creator is associated with a primary category, although they can publish content across multiple sub-niches. This panel allows the platform team to manage creators, review their content contributions, and monitor creator activity. Next, we move to the live streaming management section. This area displays all live streaming sessions across the platform. Streams that are currently active are clearly marked, while scheduled streams are also listed along with their expected start times. Administrators can track live viewer counts and monitor overall live streaming performance. Following that, we move to user management. Here, the system displays all registered users, along with their subscription plan, watch time activity, number of connected devices, account status, and join date. Administrators can review user behavior, monitor engagement levels, and manage accounts when necessary. Next, we move to subscription management. This section manages the different subscription plans available on the platform. Each plan defines video quality, number of supported devices, and pricing. For example, a free plan may allow streaming in 720p on a single device, while premium tiers support higher resolutions and multiple devices. Administrators can create or modify subscription plans and monitor how many users are currently subscribed to each plan. After subscriptions, we move to category management. Here, administrators manage the content categories available on the platform. New categories can be created, edited, or organized to improve content discovery. The system also provides category-level insights, showing how different categories perform in terms of views, watch time, and engagement. Next, we move to analytics. The analytics dashboard provides deeper insights into platform performance. It includes data such as total users, active users, total content, total streams, revenue growth, and watch time distribution. Visual charts highlight category performance, live streaming activity, and top performing creators. Administrators can also generate detailed reports from this section. After analytics, we move to AI Insights. This module showcases the intelligence layer of the platform. It displays engagement scores, trending content, potential boost candidates, and retention predictions for the coming weeks. AI moderation alerts help identify content that may require review. Administrators can also adjust AI control parameters such as recommendation sensitivity, boosting strength, and personalization levels. Next, we move to notifications management. From here, administrators can configure communication settings for the platform. This includes email notifications, push notifications, download alerts, and other user-facing messages. Notifications can be enabled or disabled, and new notification campaigns can also be created when needed. Finally, we move to platform settings. This section allows administrators to manage the overall configuration of the platform. It includes admin account management, branding settings, payment gateway integrations, streaming provider configuration, AI system controls, notification defaults, security settings, and API integrations. With that, we conclude the walkthrough of the AI Streaming Platform Admin Panel, a powerful backend system designed to manage users, creators, content, live streams, AI recommendations, and analytics, all within a single intelligent platform. Whether you build a subscription-based vertical platform, an ad-supported network, or a creator-driven ecosystem, each model has a proven revenue path. The streaming giants are fighting over general entertainment. The real opportunity is in the verticals they cannot serve deeply. At Code Brew Labs, we build AI-powered OTT and streaming platforms, including recommendation engines, content management systems, live streaming infrastructure, and monetization layers across web, mobile, and smart TV. If you're serious about launching your own streaming platform, click the link in the description, fill out a short form, and schedule a free consultation call with us. Our team will reach out for a detailed discussion to discuss your requirements. Let's build a platform that owns its audience and turns content into recurring revenue. And if this video helped, subscribe for more insights on building real-world AI products.